I'm here with my mom, and we're doing the barometer thing. That's what I say? Okay. So, for 1 minute, like, we're gonna get the hot water, and then we have like my paper in right here. I don't know if you can see it. So when we can do the lineup, we place the jar in there. Wait, how is this gonna? Okay, there. Okay. We have to leave it there for a minute. I'm scared to move this though because once I move, it's gonna like stop recording. Cause I can't hold it. Oh.
You can just go by like there when you move down.
Take the barometer. Okay. Okay, and it can't pass the rubber band. But now we're at 22 seconds. After a minute, we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna dry it off, and then we're gonna mark it. We're gonna mark it. Yeah, we're gonna line it up, and we're gonna line it up like the pointy, like thing at the end of the steak.
And this is to dry it out when you take it out, and then you have to put it right on the table.
I know. Okay, 2 more seconds. Okay, there, and then. That out of the way, like that, and then mark it. Okay, and now.
Can you put pause and then go back to recording?
No.
Okay.
And then, okay, now we're gonna do a room temperature. Okay, for this one, it's gonna take a long process because it's gonna be 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Okay. Place the barometer. 10 minutes. Okay.
Just to observe what happens.
I know, that's what I'm gonna watch. Because right.
What? It's going up.
Oh, I don't know if you guys can see. Like, because it's like right now, since it's in the temperature water, you can see the stick like a bit moving. Because the first time, because our tick is right here. That's from the hot water. And it wasn't like shaking. Like, it was just like, it didn't like vibrate or anything. It just like was balanced. But this one, it kind of vibrated a very little bit. This one's gonna be for 10 minutes.
You can mute it for now and just let it sit there for 10 minutes.
Why are we gonna mute it?
So they won't hear us in the background.
Oh, my mom.
So wait 10 minutes.
What? I don't get it though because why are we gonna pause it if we have to wait for 10 minutes? Because once I pause it, it's gonna delete that clip.
No, just mute it and let it record.
But it's gonna show my face. Nine more minutes. And then I need to draw like the sun and raindrops. I gotta draw raindrops. And the sun, like right here. Because that's what it shows on like the earlier. It says for high pressure and then like lower pressure. Because the lower it is, like the more dense it is, and the less dense it is, the more higher pressure there will be. And then low pressure, there would be bad weather. So with low pressure, there's gonna be like more rain and bad weather. But then with higher pressure, it's gonna be like a good weather. It's gonna be like the sun out, and it's gonna be like good weather. 10 minutes. It's probably going to make another line on the paper. Okay, then after that, we have to do it, but with ice water, but for a minute. Again, this, yeah, the exact same thing. But I have to observe what's happening. Wait, step 3 and 4. Mom, we gotta do it. Where are you? We have to, because at the end it says place the bowl with room temperature water and repeat step 3 and 4 once more time. And that's the 10 minutes one we're doing right now.
Oh, so we need to take it out?
No, that's like the last step. Because after this we have to do ice water and then it's that. But
for another 10 minutes?
Yeah, but I don't think we have to do that. Well, we don't have. Oh yeah, we have to observe.
You should write like that line. Put like an H for hot water. You won't get confused.
Oh. We're gonna write what measure that was. Oh my god, I read so quickly. Okay, that was hot water. Oh, there. The tea. We're 3 minutes in. 7 more minutes. So what I observed is because the cup is not shaking, like it's in its spot and it's not shaking, like moving around in different directions. It's this in the water. The sun. Ow! The stick is not vibrating. Tape. And in the first one, when it was hot water, because this one is not hot. It's like just medium. It's like not hot or cold. But for the hot one, I saw. What's it called? It was like, I forgot what's it called. It's like the vapor that's inside when something's hot. Like if you're boiling rice or something, it's in like when you cover it with lid and it forms like the vapor. Like, wasn't it called? It was condensation. Yes, condensation. So I saw condensation in the first one. It was inside, like, cause like the heat, it was gathering, and it was inside the container. But now it doesn't have it because it's not hot water. And because of the heat pressure of the water, I think it was causing it to like push upwards and causing the stick to like vibrate a little bit. But now, since this is normal, it's not vibrating. It's just, yeah, it's just in its place. We have 5 more minutes. How do you know observe? What do you observe about? Yeah, I already explained that. After 10 minutes. Yeah, but this time it's not vibrating. There's no condensation inside since it's not too hot. Because when it's too hot, it's gonna cause condensation, but it's not hot, so it's not gonna cause that. Next, please. Yeah, but the next one we're doing ice. So for my hypothesis, I think that well, it's gonna be cold but hot. Like, I think the heat pressure was causing it to move, but since it's ice water, I don't know. We have 4 more minutes. That's water temperature, water, and repeat 3 steps. Yeah, I was gonna have like different measurements. That was for the hot water, and I even labeled hot water. But after we're gonna mark and see if it like, cause when it vibrates a little bit, like then we just make that like little mark. So like if it's going up and down a little bit, but then it just stays there for like 1 second, I mark it, and if it goes a little bit down, like I'll just mark it. And then if I don't label it, it's gonna get me confused. So that's why I'm labeling if it's the ice water, the temperature water, or if it's just the hot water. 3 more minutes. Assemble the pin. You actually measured the air pressure changes.
Does it walk?
Mm-hmm.
No. Just close your eyes.
What? My question is, what does the balloon do though? Like,
I do not know. It's supposed to shake that, I think.
like I think, well, because if you think about it, if it's like heat, like cause there's like the balloon rubber, and since there's hair ties around it, like if there's too much pressure, it's gonna like, of course, like maybe create like a little like bump, and then causing this stick that's tipping out to like vibrate or shake into like a different direction. The typical should be. Two more minutes. We're 9 minutes in. Okay, 1 more minute, Mom.
Okay.
Because by now, like, it looks... Hold up. When I'm measuring, because this is for the hot water. But right now, since it's like this, when we take it out, it might be taller or lower. It depends, because this one is...
Okay, what do we
Just
need to
medium
do
water.
right after that one?
We have to do this exact same thing, mark, and then do ice water.
Okay.
2 more seconds. Five more seconds. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, now, Mom.
It's time to go to sleep, babe.
Oh, this one's taller.
It's taller?
Yeah, like, just like by a very little bit. This one is... Wait, which one is this? Temperature water? Yeah.
Warm water.
No. That was the first one.
The first one was hot water.
That's temperature water. It wasn't hot. But this is temperature water? No, it's not.
It says it right there.
That was the first one. I'm doing the second one.
Oh yeah, warm water. Yeah, temperature. Ice
Okay,
water.
now we have ice in here.
Right away.
Okay, and this one's just for 1 minute. The exact same, from like the same one earlier. Look at the stick is going upward. You could tell it went up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like in the beginning, it was like very just like this, like a straight, but this one's like more face upward, like this kind of. Can you see it? Like if you look from my view, it's like a bit taller. It's just like kind of like a little.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see it. You can see it right away. It's like rising up like this.
Yeah. The stick is not vibrating. I think it's. And there's no condensation in there either, since it's ice cold water. And the ice is gathering around it, so it's like pressure like.
How long do you need to leave that one like that?
1 minute.
Okay.
There. That's 1 minute. Hold up. 1 minute. Wait, where is
Go
it?
down. Again,
Yeah,
place
1
the
minute.
mirror in front of your paper. So take it off, right off.
Okay. And then mark it. Oh, it's like a little bit. Like that?
Yeah.
Let me just. That one is. Oh, because this one is the hot water, and this little ticket that's above it is the ice cold water. Okay, there. It might look like a little bit sideways, but the ticks are on there. And then it says again, place this in front of your paper chart.
We did that part already.
Are you sure? Oh yeah, we did. Okay, what happened with this that was inside the ice water? What difference do you notice? Can you explain your observations? There's no condensation. The ice, well, now it's kind of melting, but the ice was like causing it to like be cold, because you could feel a little bit of the coldness.
You see?
But can you feel it?
Yeah.
It's kind of cold on the outside, and then there's like, since there's pressure on the outside and not the inside, like I think that it went like this, and it like caused the stick kind of, well, cause the pressure,
put the pressure inside.
Yeah.
To
well,
move
yeah, cause the
towards
pressure,
top.
yeah, it went towards upwards, reached the top, and then made this move like a little bit like that, and not straight, cause the other ones were straight, but this one like went a little bit more up into a different like little curve, and then finally, cause I don't want to do that again. The whole thing. Okay, but let me
Yes.
Okay. I can't think so. Okay. So, for temperature water, this was actually, like, when we lined it up and marked, it was actually the tallest. The temperature water, but there was no condensation, no vibration. But look at it's this one right here, temperature, and it says right here. And next was, after that was ice cold water. It may look like hot water belongs to this little one right here, but it's not. It's actually the one that's underneath right here. That's the hot water. And then the one above is the ice cold water. So there was like different stages of comparison. So basically, the one that was
The highest was,
that had like the greatest pressure and led to the stick to be tallest was the temperature water, which was the second one. And that one,
which is weird because you would think that one would be like straight, just normal.
and that was the one we did for 10 minutes. And it makes sense because for the other two, when we just did the hot and ice cold water, that was only a minute. And for 10 minutes, I think that's a good amount for it to like have enough pressure to push upward, and it causing it to like not be a straight stick, but for it to be like a little curved up. Because now, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's just like, and then, yeah. So we're done?
Yeah, I'm just still very confused. I honestly thought when you place that on the hot water, I thought it was gonna cause more pressure in the inside, causing that to be up higher, but no, it was the regular temperature. And I think it was because in between the periods of having hot water and then cold water, that's why it was the highest.
Good explanation.
Good job, Destiny.
Oh my god.